Welcome back to the vlog. It is currently almost midnight, 11:48. So it's slated to snow tonight, so I brought the snowblower out. Can you stop? So I got the snowblower taken out from Bro's place next door. They claimed that there was an issue when we picked this thing up, but I just pulled it apart and the thing's belt driven. They actually have a look at this right there. The belt is in really rough shape. So I went ahead and went to Lordco, picked up a few new belts. I got two of the bigger ones because they weren't sure if the chafed one was the right size. So I just got two sizes very similar. So what I'm gonna do is put these belts back on and basically have this thing ready to go. I'm not gonna fire it up now because it's the middle of the night and everybody's sleeping, and that probably wouldn't be a very good thing. So the reason I have the snowblower pulled out, it's forecasted to snow a whole whack load tomorrow. Currently there's nothing outside, just starting, but it's more rain, like really light rain than it is any snow. I don't know if we can get a glimpse. Yeah, as you can see, it's starting to snow. Nothing on the ground yet. That's my cue to get this snowblower going. I'm not going to bore you guys with this whole process of putting it together. I'll quickly just go over this snowblower here. I'll put the belts on. I'll get it all back together. I don't want to bore you guys with all this, oh, do this and do that, because I've already had the thing apart. I'm just gonna put the belts on and get this thing back together, and the thing should be ready to go. I got the belts on. As you can see, this is the one belt in the front. This is the other belt in the back. This is the drive belt. This one's actually on there really tight. I don't know if it's gonna loosen off, but all it does is just, it drives the pressure plate from the back. So there's the pressure plate right there. And then this wheel right here, this wheel spins on that plate when you engage it. And it's actually on a slide. You might not be able to see it very well. Got my fancy camera light. That plate's driven by the motor. As it spins, the farther you go out, it's actually making the wheels spin faster, so you can actually, it's basically your drive speed for the wheels. And then the impeller is also belt driven. So as the engine spins, this one spins for the wheels, which goes down to that drive plate, and this one, it spins for the impeller shaft, which is on the inside of the snowblower. So when you engage that right here, it puts pressure on the belt, which engages the impeller wheel, and then it chucks snow whatever direction this thing's pointing. You can have it going that way and just huck snow. This is pretty loose on there right now. I got a couple of different belts for sizes. I don't know if the belt that I got is the size that it came with. It pretty much matches up close. So I put the bigger one on first, but seeing that there's all that slack, I'll just go ahead and swap it out to the smaller one. Well, I don't know about you guys, but it seemed to work pretty good. Nice and loose now. The belt's twisting on me on the inside. I wonder if that's gonna straighten itself out once it fires up. One of those things you don't know until you try, I guess. Seems to straighten out, but I think this wheel might be curving it a bit. Right down in there. Well, that pulley is a little loose. I think it should be okay. It should straighten out. If that thing's spinning fast enough, it won't even have enough time to to twist. However, now that I got the belts on, why am I looking at you way down here? I should be up here like this. Now that I got the belts on, I'm gonna put the covers back on. I got a few bolts and stuff that stop the belt from jumping off the impeller, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty straightforward. Just, the dog just pooped in my shop.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in ways you follow me, drifting to places I should leave. So close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be. Let me go.
And that is a snowblower. So there's my snowblower. It's sweet. I can't wait to use it. You gotta see something. So, time check. 12:35 if you didn't see that. What did I say, 11:47 was it before? 12:35, so it hasn't even been an hour yet. Look at it now. Using the EL as an example because, yeah, it's dark, snow's white, perfect. And it's right here, and there's lots of light on it. Probably can't see my face very well, but. So now that I got the snowblower going, they claim 5 to 15 centimeters of snow, which is roughly 15 centimeters is close to 6 inches. 4 to 6 inches by noon tomorrow. 12 hours from now, they're claiming to have that much snow. So we'll see about that. I'm supposed to work tomorrow night too. And I gotta drive the Malahat, which is a snowy summit pass. We'll see about that too. But anyway, I'll catch you guys in the AM and we will see exactly how much snow we actually got. I'm betting pretty warm out right now, so I'm betting there's not going to be as much as they claim. 12 hours, that's a short amount of time to have a lot of snow like that. I'll see you guys in the AM. They were right. It's 10:30 and I always use tables as a good measurement of snow because it usually falls on the edge and it gives you a good height. That looks about 6 inches and it's still coming down really good. So that's about our 100 millimeters or 10 centimeters, whatever. Yep. This is good. Power's out too, so gotta get the generator going so we can get some water in this place. Yeah, it could get interesting. We'll see. I'm glad somebody's not fazed by this whole thing. Yeah, get the snowblower going. I really want to try it out. I'm pretty stoked on that. So I'm gonna go inside. I'll get dressed up here and probably come outside. See you in a sec. All right, welcome to the next morning. Time check. 10:58, so pretty much 11 o'clock. Father's just running up the generator there because the power's still out. So I'm gonna get the garage door open. We'll peel out the snowblower. We'll get her going here. It's got electric start, but it's 120 electric start. So hopefully before he turns the machine off, I can actually get a power cord plugged into it so I can start the snowblower. I think it's pretty badass. Let's get the snowblower out here. Very good. That thing's awesome. Look what they did to the driveway, all in about 10 minutes. Sick. Well, now all I want to do is just go and plow driveways everywhere. Anyway, it's starting to rain now, so I'm going to put the camera away and continue on with some of this plowing. I think I'll wait for Bro to get home. I don't know if we want to work today or not. We'll have to see. If I do, then I probably won't carry on this vlog today. I'm just going to wait for Bro to get home, and then we're going to go to the wheeling adventures and come up with. Got his Jeep ready to go. My truck's buried in snow right now. That's pretty easy to get out of there. Just catch you guys in a few. What the hell happened? It's been 2 days. So the snow came, I plowed it, and then it's been a couple of days now, and now look what happened. So my nice plowed driveway is all covered in snow again. I'm just warming up both the trucks here. We're gonna go on a little adventure tonight. This stuff's actually gonna run through the snowblower a lot easier, only because it's way softer. I'm actually kind of excited to try it out. I don't know if I'll film that in the morning, maybe. Try it out anyway. Yeah, me and Bro are just going to go on an adventure. We're going to go to town. We're going to check and see if anybody's stuck in the snow. We're going to go do some drifty stuff with the trucks, which is going to be a lot of fun. We were already out earlier, probably a couple hours back. The snow was coming down. Like, this is when it was really coming down. As you can see, I don't know how deep that is, but what do you say, Bro?
I think it's trying to snow again.
You think so? I hope so.
Well, I hope so. Look at it, it's cheesing us.
You can see the fog from my breath. What is it, -4 out right now? Yeah, so we're not gonna go up for too long. We're just gonna go for a little rip, see what we can find in town. Hopefully find somebody that's all, but what are you doing? Is that really necessary? It's making it worse. Now all the ice is gonna stick to it.
Yeah, but it's rocky before, so it's like,
yeah, right.
trust me.
You're not a mechanic?
I'm not a mechanic at all, so trust me.
Okay, sounds good. You ready to go wheeling, my little bro?
Yeah.
Little bro?
Yeah, baby bro, I'm ready to go.
Yeah, right, sounds good. My little bro. I'm so ready. Now look at the road ahead. Look at this. Look how fun that would be.
Walking out with a shovel, and I was like, ah! right in front of the Civic. Like, I kicked it out, and like, I was like, oh, okay, I'm pretty close there. Hey, where are you going?
Yeah! Do it up! That guy's got a lot of faith in his RX-8. He's bringing it out in the middle of the snow, just hucking donuts. Yeah, you got a lot of trust in your car, that's for sure. Yeah. My car's sitting under a tarp for the past month.
What do you got?
I got TL.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. You got pretty close. They sprayed the shit out of me, but
Worth it.
That was good times, eh? Okay, so we're gonna end this one out here. We're gonna go carry on and do some drifty donut stupid stuff. I don't know who that guy is in the RX-8 there, but I'd tag him if I knew. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Click the subscribe button down below there. Hit the notification bell if you're into this kind of stuff, getting, you know, if you're into getting these kind of notifications.
Yeah, it was a good time. It's maybe go pick up a buddy of ours now.
Yeah, like, comment, subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. See ya.